アピタスタジオです。金曜キッズジュニアクラスになります。お願いします。
Whoa, honey.
This mic is too high. Drop it, drop it, drop it.
Yeah. I just been living la vida bankroll. How the saying go? Got it flooded to my ankles. Need a raincoat, pair of boots and a dang boat. Gotta stay flow. I might pull up in a stagecoach playing Beethoven. Whoa. Didn't think that it would work. Now they coming out the woodwork. Built on my own platform. Couldn't say I'm in the woodwork. Made the song go viral. Probably off some footwork. Either that or the hook work. Always think of the hook first. Now I gotta make a bag just to keep the lights on. I'm on your desktop, I'm an icon. They say icon, could you put a price on? I said I ain't selling nothing, these are my songs. Been in my bag, got a big roll, how the saying go? Got it flooded to my ankles, need a raincoat, pair of boots and a dang boat. Gotta stay flow, I might pull up in a stagecoach playing Beethoven. Whoa, no way.
So bring your friend for you can think twice. Cause I got 4 rhymes and a 5-pound bag of rice. I'm hitting hard over, I'm gon' lock it. Once the shit drop, that's dope to the pocket. I cut in, you still can't get too far. You couldn't do it smooth, we was playing cards. But if I got beef, then it's time for cold red. My gun is like a hoe and be taking mad niggas to bed. So hurry up and skedaddle. Even if you join the army, you still couldn't battle. So where you from? England, you somebody great. You burning smoke, I don't think shit like. I got the style to get you open like a bag of smoke. I had your friends, man, that's in it, so leave me alone when I'm rocking on the microphone and play like E.T. and pull your black ass home on. Yo, sauce, sit down with the crew. Get on the mic and we'll just show and prove. Hey.